Hello everyone. I, Poonam Chourasiya, Assistant Professor, School of Agriculture, welcomes you all to the YouTube channel of Sage University, Bhopal. Today, we will discuss about the topic Organic Farming, a Modern Approach to Agriculture. What is organic farming? Organic farming is a technique which involves the cultivation of plants and rearing of animals in natural ways. This process involves the use of biological material, avoiding synthetic substances to maintain soil fertility and ecological balance, thereby minimizing pollution and wastage. In other words, organic farming is a farming method that involves growing and nurturing crops without the use of synthetic based fertilizers and pesticides. Key features of organic farming: protecting soil quality using organic material and encouraging biological activity, indirect provision of crop nutrients using soil microorganisms, nitrogen fixation in soil using legumes, weed and pest control based on methods like crop rotation, biological diversity, natural predators, organic manure, and suitable chemical, thermal, and biological intervention. Rearing of livestock, taking care of housing, nutrition, health, rearing, and breeding, care for the larger environment, and conservation of natural habitats and wildlife. What are the benefits of organically grown food items and agricultural produce? It provides better nutrition, helps us to stay healthy, free of poison. Organic foods are highly authenticated. It also possesses lower prices, enhanced taste, eco-friendly, and also possess longer shelf life. What are the basic principles of organic farming? Principle of health, principle of ecology, principles of care, principle of fairness. So let us see what is principle of ecology. Organic farming methods fit the ecological balances and cycles in the nature. Principle of health, it is the sustenance of mental, physical, ecological and social well-being. It provides pollution and chemical-free nutritious food items for human. Principle of fairness, organic farming provides good quality of life and help in reducing poverty. Natural resources must be judiciously used and preserved for future generations. Principle of care, organic agriculture should be practiced in a careful and responsible manner to benefit the present and future generation and also the environment. The basic objectives of organic farming are: first one is ecological balance, and second is the production of the quality food. Basic planning of organic farming. First of all, we should go with the site selection, that is, high elevated areas are to be selected for organic farming. It should be well connected to the road, also possess assured irrigation facility through well and tube well. It must possess buffer zone of 5 to 10 centimeter of grasses or hedge, which is to be provided just to isolate the organic farm. There is a big question regarding the conversion period, that how much time does it takes for the conversion of an intensive chemical intensive farm to organic farm. So conversion of chemical intensive farm to organic farm is not a short term process. It requires enough time to build up soil fertility. So conversion period for field crop is up to 2 to 3 years, and for plantation crop it is approx 2 years. Why organic farming not adopted on large scale? So this is one of the biggest question, that why farmers are not going up with the organic farming and it is not being adopted on the large scale. So what are the basic causes behind it? First one, chemicals are easy to use and are less costly. The benefit of organic practices is not seen immediately. Large quintal of organic inputs are required as the farmer need to move up with the organic material, so it almost requires a large amount of organic input. Difficult to get organic fertilizer and unorganized market for organically grown produce as it does not provide enough prices also. What are the basic advantages of organic farming? First one, no poison is always great. Organic farming does not use any type of harmful chemical to keep pests away, unlike the majority of industrial farming. Herbicide, pesticides, and artificial growth hormones are all forbidden on an organic farm. Closely regulated. In order for a food to be labeled as organic, the entire process of which is was to be created is thoroughly and investigated. Means whenever the organic farming is being done, it is being thoroughly and closely regulated by the farmers. It also provides better taste and more nutrition. Fruits and vegetables that are organically raised have a much better taste than other mechanically farmed ones. Costs are lowered. There is a deep stigma around anything organic that it had to have cost an arm and leg to cultivate. This is actually the opposite of the truth. When you cut out the time that is spent to farm organic crops, the actual costs are minimal. It means, as a person thinks that converting a farm to organic farm, it takes a lot of time, but when a farm is being converted to an organic farm, it just cost minimal. If any of the thing is having some kind of advantage, it also possesses some sort of disadvantages also. So what are the basic disadvantages of organic farming? First one is high cost. The practice of organic farming demands a lot of money as the production from the land is not the same as that of the traditional farmers. Also, the production cost is higher than expected. Second, poor marketing. Since food is produced in small quantities, the distribution and marketing of food are not as efficient. Third, easily susceptible to disease. Organic crops are prone to disease. Because of this, the pace of production may slow down. Fourth, lack of subsidy. Farmers not only have to face the issue of bad crop, but they also have to face a loss of subsidy they get to other farmers. Crop disease and bad weather conditions make them lose their land and livelihood. Last, organic pesticides and other chemicals. Organic farmers use low concentration organic pesticides and chemicals. They are harmless but can be toxic to crop if used frequently. So this is what about something that we have learned today about the organic farming. Hope you like the video. Thank you all of you. Stay tuned and subscribe to Sage University Bhopal.